practice problems 3 and 4. Step 1, find your 2 points. Can't use this one. Hopefully you didn't fall for it. So let's travel up this line until we get to a point. Here's the first point you can use. Keep traveling, keep traveling. Here's the second point you can use. And that's it on this line. There's no other points you can use to find slope. So on to step 2. What are we counting by? Ones and ones. Perfect. How far up are we going? 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the numerator. Next, how far to the right? 1. Slope is 4 over 1 or 4. That's it. Last one. Step 1, choose your points. Can't use this one. Don't fall for it. Travel up. Here's the first point you can use. Keep traveling, keep traveling. Here's the second point. Keep traveling. Here's the third. So there's 3 possible points. I'm going to use the first 2. So that's step 1. What are we counting by? Counting by ones. Counting by ones. Perfect. How far up to get from this first point to this second point? 10, 20, 30. Oops, I'm sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4. I went up 4. How far to the right? 1. Same slope as last time. The slope is 4 over 1 or 4. So in your exit ticket, you're not going to type m equals. You're just going to type the number. You can type the fraction or you can type this. Not both. Just type in one number for your exit ticket. And that's it, you guys. That's rise over run. If you still don't know rise over run, then you have a lot more steps. You're going to have to write out your ordered pairs. Make sure you don't do it backwards, right? The x comes first. The second ordered pair is 8, 5. You label your x1, y1. You label your x2, y2. And you would plug it into the slope formula. y2 minus y1. x2 minus x1 to get 4 over 1. So it's the same thing. It just takes a lot longer. So I really want you today to do rise over run using the graph, using the picture. That is it. You are ready.